Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Luddington, your resident host and bartender. Here at SLB, we strive to deliver amazing cocktails that are not only delicious, but here's the key, they're extremely approachable as well. So if that's what you're looking for, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. That would help us out tremendously. Once you've done that, hit the bell notification so that you won't miss a single episode of the show. Also, feel free to comment below. Today we have a cocktail that I stumbled across online. And I've got to be honest, I didn't change any of the recipe. I tried it and it was flippin' phenomenal. So I really wanted to share it with you. It's called the Laphroaig Project. Laphroaig is an Islay scotch. It's extremely peaty and kind of smoky and barbecuey. Last year or so when I've tried to taste some of these scotches, I really wasn't into it, but I've got to be honest with you, the more I've kind of dipped into it and the more I've tested a few other Islay scotches, I'm kind of digging it. Bear with me. We've got a number of ingredients in this particular cocktail, but I promise you, at the end, you're going to like it. It's going to be good. So, the Laphroaig Project. We're going to start out with a few dashes of peach bitters. I don't know. I'm never precise on that. 2 or 3 or 4 are probably good. Alright, we're going to go with 1 ounce of green Chartreuse herbal liqueur. 1 ounce. We're also going to go with 1 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 ounce. Our Laphroaig 10-year scotch, we're going to put a 1/2 ounce into the mixing glass. Alright, we have some Maraschino liqueur, 1/2 ounce. Maraschino liqueur. Lastly, it's ornery cap. 1/2 ounce of yellow Chartreuse. Now this yellow Chartreuse is a little bit less herbal, a little bit less obtrusive than the green Chartreuse. I'll tell you what, give me 1 second, I'm going to grab a little bit of simple syrup because I think it needs it. I'm going to put in, we've got a lot of spirit in this particular cocktail, so I'm going to put in about a 1/2 ounce or maybe a little less. Actually it's about 3/8 of an ounce simple syrup. We're going to get some ice into our mixing glass and give it a stir. Forgot my bar spoon. We're going to stir this bad boy till it gets nice and chilly at the bottom of the glass. That's why I keep my hand on the glass, just to kind of keep an idea of how chilled the cocktail is before I pour. That should do it. Alright, now we have enough ingredients in this particular old fashioned. This is basically an amped up old fashioned, so there's too much ingredients in here to put it in a single rocks glass, so I prepared a double rocks glass with a big rock in it, and that will do it. I've also prepared a lemon peel. You want to express that lemon peel over the rim of the glass, rub it on the outside and inside, and just drop it right in the glass, and there you have it, the Laphroaig Project. Slap me down and call me Sally. This is absolutely one of my new favorites. To be honest, it's not really an old-fashioned riff. What that is an amped up whiskey sour. That's truly what it is. Because you got the lemon juice, you got all, it's an amped up whiskey sour. But you get a little bit of herbal notes in it. You get a little bit of that cherry coming through with the maraschino. But in the background, and it's a faint peatiness and smoke that comes through with this Laphroaig whiskey. It's just dynamite. It's really, really fantastic. If you're a fan at all of this Laphroaig whiskey or any kind of Islay scotches that have just a little bit of peatiness or smokiness to it, this is a spectacular way to mix a cocktail that it tones it down just a bit and just gives you a little bit of that peatiness and smoke that comes through the cocktail. It's absolutely delicious and absolutely one of my new favorites. Thank you so much for watching. We certainly appreciate it. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also find us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. As always, our motto here at the show, please don't ever forget. Please drink responsibly. See ya.